Methods to solve hiccup. While there isn't a one-size-fits-all proven solution for hiccups, several methods are often cited as effective. Here are a few that have worked for many people. Holding your breath. Take a deep breath and hold it for as long as you can, then exhale slowly. Drinking water. Sip a glass of cold water slowly or drink it quickly without stopping to breathe. Swallowing a teaspoon of sugar. The graininess may stimulate the vagus nerve and help stop the hiccups. Vinegar. A small amount of vinegar can sometimes help reset your system. Peanut butter. Eating a spoonful can disrupt your swallowing pattern and stop hiccups. If hiccups persist for more than 48 hours, it might be worth consulting a healthcare professional. Have you tried any of these remedies?